In the last little while, I saw 3 YouTube videos showing how to get a better grip on the handle of an F-style clamp. You've all been there. Either there was too much slipping, or maybe you just couldn't get your hand in the right position. Either way, you needed to deliver more torque than you could in that moment. Now, the 3 videos that I saw, in one of them they wrapped the handle in hockey tape, and as a Canadian I approve. In another video they encased the handle with shrink tubing, so instead of a slick painted surface it now had a bit more of a rubberized handle, so that improved the torque as long as you could get your hand into it. And even Matthias Wandel got into the act. He made some 4-pointed knobs and he fitted them onto tenons that he shaped on the handles with his panto router. So here I'm boring holes just large enough to take a construction nail. So you know those 3.5-inch construction nails. That would be what, maybe close to 90 millimeters or so in length. Now these are my tiny clamps. For larger clamps, let's say my 12-inch Bessies and on up, I would bore a larger hole, one that would just accept either a Robertson or a Phillips screwdriver shaft. So any kind of screwdriver where the tip is not wider than its shaft. And what's great about this method, well, you already have a nail and a screwdriver. And I'm guessing you don't have hockey tape, you don't have shrink tubing, and you don't have 4-pointed knobs on hand. Never mind the panto router. So, this method, good, fast, cheap.